Former Kaizer Chiefs attacker Khama Billiat is currently training with SuperSports United. Khama Billiat left Kaizer Chiefs at the beginning of the season. After he didn't accept the contract that Kaizer Chiefs were giving him. Apparently he was supposed to take a pay cut, so he didn't accept that contract. So he hasn't been with the club for half a season, so 6 months he hasn't been playing football. So earlier he trained with Cape Town City, but they didn't offer him a contract. So right now he's trying his luck with SuperSports United. Maybe right now he might get a contract. So I want to hear from you. What do you think of Khama Billiat's situation where he finds himself without a club? Do you think it's going to be a great signing for SuperSports United? And also, do you think that maybe because he suffered injuries during his last season? Actually, in his last 2 seasons, he suffered a lot of injuries at Kaizer Chiefs. So do you think that he will be able to be fit, and can we see him coming back to his best? Where we saw him at Mamelodi Sundowns, where he was absolutely at his best. Or do you think that his best days are behind him? Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.